Sent the rear shock off to GBS a couple of weeks ago. They just got it, they rebuilt it, they're sending it back. So don't have it, so I'm not going to be working on that. Instead, I'm going to be working on the Cappuccino. It's going to be a little bit of a palate cleanser. Just some intercooler piping. Picked it up on eBay. Fairly inexpensive. Super small. Essentially what we're doing is replacing these two hoses here. These are just squishy rubber hoses. They're as old as the car. The IC piping, really it's more of an aesthetic thing than it is actually practical. I'm not going to get a ton of performance out of them for a little car like this. It's also super quick and easy to do, so why not? You need to make a quick run to the store because I don't have nearly enough band clamps for this. So I'm just going to pound this out quick. There's no need to show you actually swapping out the hoses. All right, I lied. I am going to show you some of the stuff. For one, that's the throttle body. Like, man, that is such a tiny little throttle body. So this is intercooler to throttle body. Has quite a bit of oil. Yeah, that's interesting. This isn't going well. So you play eBay games, you win eBay prizes, and this is an eBay prize. It is a intercooler piping kit for a Suzuki Cappuccino, but not all that great. It's like the inlet charge pipe here. It's not really well fit. It doesn't give a lot of space for movement. Not that great. With the couplers on, I'm not really confident that there's enough movement available to really take care of engine rock, things like that. Over here we have the turbo to intercooler pipe. It's not very well angled at all for getting the charge into the intercooler correctly. So I'm just going to go back to the stock pipes. Like I said, this was kind of an aesthetic mod and not really a performance mod because I'm not really doing performance mods on this car. And if I want to do pipes in the future, I'll just do them custom. Seriously, it took less than 5 minutes to swap all these pipes back. On the next adventure of my Cappuccino, we'll do a timing belt kit, timing belt water pump, all that fun stuff. Maybe we'll get around to the ECU. We'll see if that works. Maybe it'll be a fail too.